Hi everybody, my name is Jay Reynolds. I'm the paint manager and the estimator for SFW Painting and SFW Construction. We're here in the historic neighborhood of Brooklyn in southeast Portland today. We're doing a renovation on this beautiful 1910 Portland bungalow. It's been in the same family for 102 years and they've entrusted SFW for the renovation needs. When doing lead-based paint renovations, you have to follow all the EPA and the OSHA guidelines. You also want to keep all your workers safe. As you can see, we've put up caution tape to let people know what we're doing. We have all of our licensing on display. We have plastic containment put at least 12 feet out in all directions. And then we have all of our guys in the requisite PPE, which is personal protective equipment. If you look behind me, you can see the house. It was wrapped in aluminum siding back in the 70s, and what we're going to do today is we're going to pull off that nasty aluminum siding. Today we have a construction crew out here doing the demo of the aluminum siding. They're also going to do dry rot repair and repair any modifications that were made when the aluminum siding went up. After the construction is complete, we'll have a specialized crew of lead-based renovators come in and abate the lead paint. These guys take the house from the rough condition that we'll find it in all the way down to remove the paint and get it ready for the paint crew, which will follow them. So having 3 specialized crews to do the job gives SFW a clear advantage.